I was your for the Mukopimu, Ewo, Doma, Kyeremasu, and Tia and Saka, and the Ukopimu Honomodia, a branty be ya, Galamsey ni, na omo echo site, so Mukotu Galamsey, na enamso a marker before Kofinawra. Na according to Doma 4, and I say 1 year watch Kyeremasu Hono, one more seminar, and say almost to say, a Dormaahene tax force, Anti-Galamsey tax force to be. And our Makudisa and Yambra Semno Ewa Honum to her video ya, and that's we dear and yen rather, and our much say, quiet nam so Emma Munian if free mono, and how mu ye pan, I womu ya in tea, or mo your yachere, and the achin another my henny, and the empenning for say, a quiet munian and nam so a hard ye pa. Now much I say, and your home corner sim we yesi, was in Crobby a child of my honshia, able to say when fear the Malcolm Amasu. Any pattern work a cranny dear. Nancy, one more shall say who sent Kofobi. Ya, one more munya posty for, one more munya soldier for, one more baby and summa one more, and a one more bomb, and so for Henry said one more a year, Galamsey, one more Shama Galamsey, or Miss Easy and as for missing one coin. Ya, almost says how for no a year, another my hen at Timono, allegedly. Ya, one more air share a Galamsey. Now so, coin more fast so air Galamsey no. Enya no kwan no omonam so ekunkum nipa ya enya asem ketu akora no we dia ayo omo ye pa che se omo se abema no se dia ni fie sitie no mmobro no ha adwen ye pa ene ye na anya odan so a inya ofayo enu nti no e wo so omo ye bibi e ma mpanyifo ehu se womo ani abre na yese womo kwa frodo ho mpo a womo honom no etitire mane womo na ye mboro womo no wose omutumi sa mo nsufin no e wo honom no woma ema na sesa nsuo no enom na brantie bi the prince ono na waji tumikata ono no say waji tumikata e wo honom ondo wo ho kwan so to Galamsey no enti ese ono ne ba ono ne squad ne ba no mbechi mo a ono mo di asi ani na wo mo abromo na mo kumbini ade a enti wo hwe videos na bi hu se ba akọ dan na chingina no ekuro atututu no hwe pa na yede ahwe no nti wo ma ye kire ene na san na nwumre be no me ensa kosi no na honom no ene si ye ma branch ne nam so ahwe no kwa nrada wo ma bo pampim okuro no efimfini ka nko ka ma bepem na no pay me no kasa die eno an se wo mo hye tai bonfire ene ade a wo mo kire se e wo sana na Dormaahene be ka bibi sanyo no wo mo hu ayo no wo mo hu afi so omo pe justice e de ama omo enua na efen Stonzy Kobina on na sisi am no kasa yi wati nanom ewo ensie do no nti ense mo de to dwane bi ene yawo a mo de to ensentrofo anim no umi ko hwe bi wo do ma Kyeremasu ma
police station. Obi tinti kase ohun moja akra se do the second twem para to seriously.
Yeah, bushafo enti eno ena okohwe na okotie ye no je siam no kasa die omo se na Dormaahene ena ma sa de no ekoso na Dormaahene so beka che se Galamsey de enya de oka hu bi wonka ho na so no besepanu nkonyina ha ban yetase na banyansafo Galamsey ya de aga na ha yenso so na ye nyina ye hwa akoko no ama bebi atumi awie nkonim enti se ohene bi wo ne kurom na se yetu Galamsey ya na wo se wo bra na se wo mpene ya yegitum ne na ya adwen esanse eyade aga na nyina yeti ho atua yetususa ne ye hye mo kasa yenyan Galamsey tu esanse nei eseyensa ase yemfudie ene yensuo titiru ewo hanum se di sana Dormaahene te tax force bi se wo mo hwe na sumdwentumra doma anase empatemo no ma doma isi ne patemo no mo a ene me de megitum se nkeye na mom no ekwan ye wo mo fa so eye do fi se police for kra na se soldier for kra no menyini se mo kwan so mintumi nkum ni pasa na wa aban bia ma otumi na mom no wo hini bi ahyew se boayen na ye mre na se de menyini se okọ field a e wo se okọ akokum obi se okọ ye na bia wo cheche wo mo ena mo do mbo police for ma yen ana se bi kwa hwie bi kwa na mo kọ hwe wo mo ana mo dwane mo bo mu hu edwane ye bo ho ban ni ade a nkebe boa ana na mo tubo wo mo pese mu tukrompa mo nje permit bi wo police for no mo nche mo kwan ya e wo se mo fa so eno mo ede fe so na se ye beda sorry na wokum nipa de because almost nya ba akopeu enye we nkwan de di kan mo kunkum nipa ni bia na akoye hwebuada na we de o ma hwe yi a na ya atra so eyi ususu no wankase mo yi bone enti o mo kasa e de a kire se de e koso no enye enti na Dormaahene wo hwe na wo mo kwa sa accuse na Dormaahene se o ye Galamsey ni bi na de enti na wo hwe o mo no ye bia one person wo no be ye bi enti o mo so kire se na Dormaahene Galamsey ni wo ye bi e na Brantia Prince na no so agi legal documents a onu no zu se emra kwan so no wo ho kwan se otu Galamsey ni bi no wo mo se wo mo nyini ntum na nyini ntum kina ifisa Brantia no ama no hom no so okrom no mo Galamsey no wo pese Galamsey okrom no nyina tumikata onu zu so agi nti onu ko adi tu eto omo so se yaji watumo se enyi wuntumu wo mo mpene ne empene kina ema Galamsey no enkoso nti abusua na kopi wonom de se ne ekome no kasa sesi a ne gusu gina mu den ya wo moni abre se empeni function no mrem na omo PM presiding member so be kasa ya wo kire se no kore ono so de nani kohwe bi ya wo koye no ono akokko hwe se the situation na ya reho pa o kache emebu no se obo omo kokko se omunya abotere na ebrepem no omehwe ama bibia atumi atoyi na so ne mebu nasem titu ne Galamsey fo omo enuawu unim se de asi akwakọ ye nti omo gusu ehwe se asumdue betumi aba ho no ma bibia ye kama na yenkonko tie nsem bia wo mo de tu dwa no ebi.
So if you look at this side, here comes Kyeremasu and Akuntenim boys. What they are saying is that if we want to stop Galamsey, killing is not an option. Intimidation is not an option. Okay? Any question will be found, yes, we need to sit down, we listen to the bad and also good side of the Galamsey. Then we get to understand how we can stop illegal mining. Okay, what they are saying is that there is no more job in the system. Okay, they're not getting any job, and this is so amazing. And if you look at this side, boys are doing demonstration and whole lot of things. They are saying, oh, nice. People are involving. They need justice. This time around, we are not going to entertain that kind of intimidation again. This time around, we are not going to entertain that kind of intimidation again. Soldiers are here, all the security forces are here. But it seems like they cannot stop illegal mining. If you look at this time around, if you want to stop illegal mining, is there a matter of intimidation, killing, beating, whole lot of things. No. We need to sit down, understand the situation itself, and find solutions to that. That is good. That is good. And when you focus on this, and so tap on training, we need to measure what team and you want to do. Stopping Galamsey is not a matter of intimidation, beating, killing. We need to sit down. Oh, yeah, baby, Mazumi Koya. I have boys and military guys in Israel. I don't know exactly what they are talking about, but then the people say they want to find a very intensive conclusion to the matter. We are not sure. Killing is not an option to stop illegal mining. That is what the boys are saying. Killing is not an option to stop Galamsey. First of all, we need to provide youth the job that they can do to find their daily bread. I was saying a pair of more animal. So, over Kyeremasu, we live coverage. One which I say and run, 13th of April 2026. Over Kyeremasu. In fact, on one year break, make us a name now. A very intensive demonstration. Very, 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 very exclusive. A very exclusive demonstration. Over Kyeremasu. Kyeremasu, over Dormaahene East. Yes, Bono region. Dormaahene East. One fear, Nikra Bako, and I don't know. And then see, Obama Makan Kokama, starting from last night. VIP Nina, Okada riders will be to me all because they are finding justice for their colleague who was shot by Galamsey Task Force. They are indeed finding justice for their guy. That is good. That is good. What they are saying is that Galamsey, if you want to stop it, it's not a matter of killing, intimidating, beating, harassing. That is not the option. We need to sit down, find solutions to the situation at hand. That is indeed good. Galamsey is indeed something we want to, mitigate. But it's not the way we should kill people around. Recklessly killing people. That is not the option. What they are saying is that.
Yeah, Ebusuya na say na see at the Dormaahene East Kyeremasu ama ne bono esi etie. Nti abrante Stones no otwo na nanom e wo nsie do a wo mo pe justice na wo masa pe compensation na ma Ebusuya no titi no mahame no na efiri ho kɔ no ma hwe kɔ mbefa so na wo mo si Galamsey ano kwan wo fi so wo nya case ni pese Galamsey ne de wo mo be ye isan se dwuma bia eni patem ho no mom do mo kwa akohyem inta Dormaahene ya omo wura ne omo sere se o tax force no ko omo fa so no mo tikurum ho no enye saa ne ye no omo kunkum wo mo na kohwe na yensi ade kwan na kokum nipa no de ase ne na ukọ ye kokofi ko so ja kwantin fi na ntwa yi nti ebesere emfa nko tene nko ye yaw ene oye ni san family kuro no ebasa na ne ma jesi bonkum so na mum sa wutu se on hwema Galamsey nko so de nka ne kwan so na kwan ya enam so a eye no enam susu se emwa na ye pe kwan foforo na omugya ya migiri se no bebo asense ye kunkum on fi so wu ye kwa na sa aye time kra amomo so ni abre se migiri se sabri se obi kwaso okwa stop bibia nya asem de wo honom na nye se ne fa so a ye ni nipa ekasa na se na youth so munyai Galamsey no esas insase na anya na Dormaahene kra Ghana aban aka si sudua ye nyina ye ka ho asem se ye hwe so no ye nyai enti munyai na mpanifo so wo so mo pa adwuma ye mo adwuma ni binye na adwuma ne ba no mo to Galamsey no a ne ehu sampa bone no anoma ye madwo so medi Ghana na ehu kwan ye de wo mo ebe de ebe fa so nti abusuafo ha na mede mu AC ewo Dormaahene ene ne nkrofo ya ewo Kyeremasu ene ne patemonom de si wo honom ne ho amanebo na mede abuntu social media no so se nkofo bi ebo pampim a o mo hyehye ne mo yidididi a na amane no asia eno no abusua na aha na mede mu AC mama momo ene hwa enya ado yakramo